Namaste and welcome to yet another series of Drishti Manthan. I am Rachna Pednekar, counselor and wellness facilitator. So today we are going to discuss on a very interesting topic that is termed as Pratyahara, a very important aspect of the Patanjali Yoga Sutra and apparently one of the limbs of the Ashtanga Yoga. Pratyahara is supposed to be the fifth limb, so what it is all about. But before that, please do visit my website www.drishtimanthan.com and kindly have a look at all the therapeutic and mind restructuring programs that I have specifically brought in for you. And in case you are interested, do connect with me through my email ID so that we can have an interaction shortly. All right. Now you must be wondering, but what does it actually mean and what's the logic behind it? You know, it's like you have your five senses. It's simply you need to disengage yourself from the outside world. That means disconnect your five senses with the outside world so that you can deep dive within. Sounds interesting. Yes, it is interesting. You know, in today's world, what happens is, you know, we say there's a lot of stress. I mean, you know, I'm undergoing a mental conflict. I don't know what to do. Why is all this happening? Because your energies are not getting directed in the right flow. It's all about energy, pure souls. You know, finally, at the end of the day, we need to take care of our energy. And this is what Pratyahara does. It's like withdrawal of your senses from the outside world and engaging with your inner self. Now, how do you do that? A simple technique of meditation. You take a lot of information from the outside world. How? Through your five senses. Like say, for example, your eyes, you see around, right? That is, you are taking in information. But what happens if you just close your eyes for some time and just sit and relax and just concentrate on your breathing? That is one of the techniques of doing Pratyahara. That means you're shutting one of your senses, that's your visual sense, and you are trying to connect deep within. Try it out, it's meditation. Do it every morning or do it before sleeping. Actually, you can do it any time of the day. Because this is a practice which you follow is sure going to change your life. That means you are cutting yourself from the outside world and deep diving within. You are connecting to your subconscious. You are connecting to your God within. You are communicating with your God. So start with a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes a day or 10 minutes a day, however you are comfortable. Just close your eyes, take a deep breath, feel your own energy and see how beautiful you feel. Just take a few deep breaths and develop. You know, it's all about training your mind. I every time stress on this word, training your mind. Try doing it, see how you feel and write into me. Remember, you are a special gift of God into this world. Heal yourself, heal the people, heal the environment because only you and you have the power. Stay positive, stay fit, stay smiling and keep on trying because the road is beautiful and just keep walking ahead. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Namaste.